Hey class, just got done shoveling what was definitely more than my prediction of 3 to 5 inches of snow. Sometimes it happens, but at least I called it we'd be out of school. So the amounts where I live, 17 inches. Still 17 inches. So if I was actually measuring this for the National Weather Service, I would take 10 readings, but all three came back 17, so that's good enough for me. So we will see you again on Monday. Good luck. You got the extension on your plate tectonics project that you probably all wanted, so use the extra time to work on that. See you in class.